So, hello guys. Ano kami? Ang gagawin namin is hide and seek. Naglalaro kami. Then, I found this. Demon driver. May ko nakakatakot to, te. Basahin yung ate, oh. Ang ate ko. Look, oh, tingnan nyo naman. It's demon driver. Yan. So, demon driver yan to. Ano ba itong cellphone natin? Yan. Demon driver. Then, ilalagay muna natin dyan. Hahanapin ko muna si Bijan. John Kyrie. Where are you? Ang galing pa naman nun magtago, guys. Hindi ko yun madaling makita, guys. Pag nagtago na yun si John Kyrie. Ipaprank natin si John Kyrie ngayon, guys. Hi! What is your name?
My name is John Kyrie.
Hara!
Birthday.
Wow! Do you... My brother is John Kyrie also. Did you see John Kyrie?
Me?
It's not you.
Huh?
You are not handsome. You're ang ugly.
Yeah, I'm beautiful.
Ay, find sa John Kyrie ha. Dera ka ha. Find sa ko John Kyrie. So guys, sana ngayon si John Kyrie, guys. Magmumulto-multo ako, guys. Guys, takot na yan. Dali yan matakot, guys. Yan, guys. Naiyak na siya dahil natatakot na siya sa akin. Yan, guys. Pag natakot yan, guys, sasalubingin ka ng boxing. It's a joke lang man yan. No? Sige. Tago-taguan ay maliwanag ang buwan. Pagbilang ko 10, lahat makatago. What happened? Kondisyonis pang nalalam. Dito niya tayo hanapin, guys. Tingnan niya tayo makikita dito, guys. Ang layo niya na, guys. Nandun na siya, guys. Parang siyang tala. Yun, guys. Saan siya punta? Baka makita ko, guys. I need to hide. Parang nakita niya ako. Ay, hindi. Ang layo. Tanga-tanga to, ah. Bullshit na yun. Saan na siya, guys? Saan na yun? Ang layo. Puti ka nang gagawin niya dun. So, yun. So, yan yung ginagawa niya, guys. So, dahil it was changed na, guys. Ako na yung maghahanap sa kanya. Kung siya tumatago, akala niya hindi ko siya nakita, guys. Pupunta natin. At magpapeten tayo ng multo. Na parang nawawala tayo sa sarili. Yung mental block daw. Guys. Dito pa lang. Dapat yung titingin siya sa akin. See, guys. Yun, guys. Tumingin siya sa akin. Guys, pumunta na, guys. Kasi natatakot na yan. Teka. Takot na yan. Yun, guys. Takot na yan, guys. Yun, guys. Natatakot na yan. Dahil lang.
Manyo!
Sira ulo to, guys. Isahan pa ako ng tanginang to. Rest sa ta. Rest. Okay. Okay, rest ta, rest. Shoo. Tired man ako. What are you doing there? Ma-fall ka. Can you sing? Sing ka. Tralala, tralala. Sing. Allah. Fashion show. Gymnast. Wow. Like you're a snake. Act like a snake. Act like bird. Totoo yan, guys. Totoo. Sounds like monkey. Sounds like chicken. Sounds like bee. Sound like horse. Sounds like a bird. Sounds like an elephant. Wow. Sounds like gorilla. Sounds like dinosaur T-Rex. Sounds like lion. Sounds like tiger. It's the same. Sounds like a baby. Si Gugu Gaga. Hala. Sounds like cat. Sounds like dog. Ruff ruff. Sounds like baby crying. Dance like a baby. Sounds like Baby John. Say your name. How old are you? Oh, who's that? It's cute. Oh, it's Nanay. She's copy. Look. Why did you copy Nonoy? Yes, it's covering his mouth. Because you are stinky. He covers his mouth and nose because you're stinky.
No, I'm not stinky. It's hot.
You're a little hot. Poor baby hot. Come here inside. Let's have fun. Because it's so hot. Let's cut this one. Bye guys.